Picture this: Ethereum, the world's second largest cryptocurrency labeled as a security. Sounds far-fetched, right? But is it really? This is a question that has been at the forefront of many minds in the crypto world. Ethereum, the platform known for its smart contracts and decentralized applications, is under scrutiny. The question of whether it can be classified as a security is more than just a matter of semantics. It could have far-reaching implications, not just for Ethereum, but for the broader cryptocurrency market as well. This ongoing debate is loaded with uncertainty, and its outcome could significantly impact investors. It's a complex issue, shrouded in legal jargon and regulatory ambiguity, and it's a topic we absolutely need to tackle. So, how did we get to this point of uncertainty, and what does it mean for Ethereum and its investors? Stick around as we delve into the timeline of the SEC's investigation. The SEC's interest in Ethereum didn't just appear overnight. It's a story that has unfolded over years. Let's take a journey back in time and piece together the intricate timeline of this investigation. The SEC's curiosity peaked around Ethereum back in 2018, when it started to examine if Ethereum's initial coin offering, or ICO, was a securities offering. This was a time when the crypto market was awash with ICOs, and the SEC was keen on bringing order to this wild west of finance. Gary Gensler, the current chairman of the SEC, stepped into the picture in 2020. A former MIT professor with a deep understanding of blockchain technology, Gensler was known for his balanced perspective on crypto regulation. However, his stance on Ethereum was somewhat ambiguous, which added a new layer of complexity to the narrative. As Gensler took the helm of the SEC, another key figure, Gary Geraghty, emerged on the scene. As the SEC's crypto czar, Geraghty's role was to navigate the murky waters of crypto regulation. Her stance on Ethereum was aligned with Gensler's, viewing it with a cautious eye. Amidst this regulatory uncertainty, Ethereum was undergoing its own transformation. The network was transitioning from proof of work to proof of stake, a move aimed at boosting its scalability and energy efficiency. This shift, however, further complicated the SEC's investigation. The agency had to grapple with the question of whether this change altered Ethereum's status as a potential security. The next major milestone in the SEC's Ethereum saga came in 2022. The agency began taking a closer look at Ethereum's decentralized finance, or DeFi, ecosystem. This move signaled that the SEC was broadening its focus from the Ethereum network to its applications, a move that could have far-reaching implications for the broader crypto market. Fast forward to 2024, the SEC's investigation into Ethereum is still ongoing. The agency's stance on Ethereum has evolved, but it's still shrouded in ambiguity. Gensler and Geraghty continue to play pivotal roles in shaping the SEC's approach to crypto regulation. The outcome of their deliberations could set a precedent for the future of the crypto industry. The SEC's scrutiny of Ethereum is more than just a passing curiosity. It's a saga that has been years in the making, but what's the crux of the issue? Let's take a look. At the heart of the SEC's investigation lies a simple question. Is Ethereum a security or a commodity? Much of this debate revolves around the Howey test, a legal litmus test that the SEC uses to determine if a financial instrument can be classified as a security. 4 criteria must be met for something to be considered a security. There must be an investment of money, an expectation of profits, the investment must be in a common enterprise, and any profit comes from the effort of a promoter or third party. Now the crux of the matter. Does Ethereum meet these criteria? Let's dissect this. Ethereum's initial coin offering, or ICO, could certainly be seen as an investment of money. However, the expectation of profits is a bit murkier. While some purchased Ether with the hope of future gains, others bought in for its utility within the Ethereum network. The common enterprise criterion is also debatable. Ethereum is decentralized, meaning it doesn't have a central authority that profits can be directly tied to. Lastly, the profits from Ethereum are largely driven by the market, not the efforts of a promoter or third party. Arguments in the ongoing lawsuit also hinge on these points. The plaintiffs assert that Ethereum's ICO was a securities offering, while the defense maintains that Ether is a commodity, more akin to oil or gold, used to power operations within the Ethereum network. The outcome of this lawsuit could redefine Ethereum's future and potentially the future of all cryptocurrencies. But what are the possible scenarios? If Ethereum is deemed a security, it would come under stringent regulatory scrutiny, possibly affecting its price and usability. On the other hand, if it's deemed a commodity, it could open the floodgates for institutional investment and further adoption. But remember, this is uncharted territory, and the future of Ethereum, like the crypto market itself, remains volatile and unpredictable. Let's delve further into these potential outcomes and their impacts in the next scene. Stay tuned. The SEC's decision on Ethereum could send ripples through the entire crypto market. But what are the possible outcomes and their potential impacts? Let's dive into this complex and fascinating topic. First, let's consider the possibility that Ethereum is labeled a security. This would mean that Ethereum's transaction and exchange would be subject to the same securities regulations as traditional assets like stocks or bonds. This could have a significant impact on Ethereum's liquidity and ease of trade. While some might worry that this could lead to a drop in Ethereum's price, it could also attract institutional investors who prefer the security of regulated assets, potentially driving up the price. Alternatively, Ethereum could be deemed a commodity. In this scenario, Ethereum would be treated similarly to gold or oil. This could potentially increase Ethereum's price volatility, as commodities often experience larger price swings than securities. However, this could also increase Ethereum's appeal to traders and investors who thrive on volatility and are looking for high-risk, high-reward opportunities. There's also a chance that the SEC could classify Ethereum as neither a security nor a commodity, but something entirely new. This could open up a whole new world of possibilities, as it would require the creation of a new regulatory framework. The impact on Ethereum's price in this scenario is harder to predict, as it would largely depend on the specifics of this new framework. Now let's broaden our focus and consider the potential impact on the wider crypto market. Regardless of the SEC's decision, it will likely set a precedent for how other cryptocurrencies are regulated in the future. If Ethereum is deemed a security, other cryptocurrencies may follow suit, potentially leading to a more regulated and institutionalized crypto market. If Ethereum is deemed a commodity, we might see an increase in price volatility across the crypto market. And if Ethereum is classified as something new, it could lead to a wave of innovation and experimentation in the crypto space. Finally, it's important to remember that the SEC's decision is not the only factor that will influence Ethereum and the broader crypto market. Other factors, such as technological advancements, market sentiment, and global economic conditions, will also play a role. So, while the SEC's decision is certainly important, it's just one piece of a much larger puzzle. Whether Ethereum is a security or not, one thing is certain: The outcome of the SEC's investigation will have far-reaching consequences for Ethereum and the wider crypto market. So keep an eye on this space, as whatever happens next is sure to be interesting and impactful. The question of Ethereum's status as a security is more than just a legal debate. It's a question that could shape the future of the crypto market. We've journeyed through the timeline of the SEC's investigation, weighed Ethereum's potential classification as a security or commodity, and pondered the potential outcomes and their impact on Ethereum and the broader crypto scene. The SEC's decision carries profound implications for Ethereum, its investors, and the larger cryptocurrency landscape. The ripple effects of this verdict will be felt far and wide, influencing regulatory practices, market dynamics, and investor sentiment. Regardless of the outcome, one thing is certain: the world of cryptocurrency is ever evolving, and staying informed is crucial. Remember, knowledge is power. So hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. Help other ETH investors see this video and stay informed. Until next time, stay savvy, investors.